Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this credit scene on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text, and then I'm just going to copy and paste this many times. Of course, you're going to want to write like names on it, but I am not going to do that because can't really think about names right now. So I'll just try to copy, and paste this as many times that I can. Okay, they have like a character limit, so you can like copy and paste that later. Anyways, I am then going to go to library, add in a black stock video, and we're going to freeze frame that. We need this for like the parts here. Go to mask and go to the mirror. Reverse that and sort of create this cinematic bar. Go back to the text, and I'm just going to adjust the font size again to make it smaller, and I'm going to place it down here. Then I'm just going to add in a keyframe here, and then at the end I'm going to grab that text and move it up where I can't see it anymore. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If it's too fast, by the way, just extend the text and the background and move the keyframe further apart. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!